Okay, so in the second part of our swimming tutorial, we'll get our animations in from Mixamo. So we want the treading water, so we want to download that, okay, with skin, yeah. And we want the swimming, obviously, so we need to make sure that's in place, otherwise the speed will be off. This goes for all animations, make sure they're in place. I would usually just download it without the skin. If you've got, so bringing it into Unreal, Shot Up Andy, apply it to your T-pose, import with animations, and it will always give you this error. It's a smoothing groups error, just ignore that. So let's go and make a blend space 1D. Let's use the T-pose skeleton and let's call it swim, not swimming. Double click on that. So horizontal axis, we want 300, that's the speed that he's going to be swimming at, that's the point at which target weight interpolation speed, I think that's the speed that it moves between the animations. So dragging the treading water and swimming animation, so now if we move our little cursor around, we can see that he moves between treading water and swimming. So back over to project settings, let's add a swimming input button, which we will make into Z. Let's call it swim up, oddly, and let's make it Z. So go to the character blueprint with all our movement blueprint on, actions on, and let's get input axis swim up. That's the new axis we just made. Let's make a branch. Let's go, oh hello, there goes my phone. So add movement input, yes. So we want to get the axis value and put it into the scale value, so that's going to move in the amount of scale you're pressing forward on your controller. We want is swimming, and we want to just copy the get control rotation nodes over, and then we can get the up vector from there, plug it into the world direction, and then we basically just want to put a comment on that, which is calling it swimming. Very small, can't really see that size, hey ho. So back to the animation blueprint, we want to make sure that now that we have a swimming option, so we want to cast to the blueprint. We want to make sure we are finding the is swimming, and we want to make a new variable called is swimming, which is a boolean, so that we can check that if you press, if he is swimming, we need to add a sequence so we can fire 2 pins off at once, 3 pins off at once even. So what we're going to do is we're just checking if that's valid, and then we're casting to the blueprint, and then we are setting the is swimming. Okay. Anim graph, we want to set up a new swimming state. So let's just go into that, and then let's just drag our swim in, and so that's okay. So get swimming, kind of transition. So if swimming is true, you can enter the transition. If swimming is false, so it's a not, then the character cannot enter the transition, so he won't be able to enter the swim state. It's really quite simple. So what we're going to do now is we are just going to play, and then he is swimming and treading water. Okay, excellent. So he's not actually going to pop out properly, but it still works.